During the launch of the unique initiative of the state government, Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project, to promote music in the state, on Tuesday, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma conferred the Lifetime Achievement Award to legendary musician Majaw. Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project is a unique program of the government that will recognize and promote music talents and will support gigs and music shows across the state. The project will also provide a platform and support the musicians to showcase their musical talent within and outside the state. Performances on street platforms and cafes in the state will be some of the unique features of the project. Speaking during the launch, Conrad Sangma informed that the project has been conceptualized to engage the youth and also to encourage and provide a platform to musicians of different genres and ultimately attract tourists to the state.
I would
there is more with every knocking on my door. I've known hunger since I was 10.